Frigidaire AC error code PON, how to fix full tank or drain pump alert. Fix 1. Manual drain method. Step 1. Turn off and unplug the AC. Step 2. Locate the bottom drain plug, usually at back or base. Step 3. Place a tray or towel underneath. Step 4. Remove the drain plug and let all water drain out. Step 5. Replace the plug securely. Step 6. Plug the AC back in and turn it on. The PON code should clear once restarted. Fix 2. Flush blockage or check float sensor. Step 1. After draining manually, unplug the unit for about 1 minute. Step 2. Plug it back in and restart. Step 3. If PON returns quickly, open the bottom plug again, tip the unit gently up to 90 degrees to drain completely. Step 4. Inspect and gently clean the float sensor. Ensure it moves freely and is not stuck. Fix 3. Set up continuous drainage. Step 1. Locate the mid-level continuous drain port on the back. Step 2. Remove its plug and attach a small hose, e.g. garden hose. Step 3. Run the hose downward to a drain or bucket without any kinks. Step 4. Resume operation. This stops the internal tank from filling. Fix 4. Reset AC if PON persists even after draining. Step 1. Unplug the unit or turn off its power breaker. Step 2. Wait 15-60 seconds per model. Step 3. Plug it back in and press and hold the reset button on power cord for 3-5 seconds.